Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Well, today I am going to be talking about the Smile Brilliant Teeth Whitening System and how that has whitened my teeth. So if you want to learn everything about the system, you're in the right place. But before we get started, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done that. And if you want to see how I got these pearly whites, just keep watching. Alright guys, for starters, I just want to let you know that Smile Bright did send this kit to me in PR. This is not a sponsored video, I'm not being paid for it, but I did receive this product for free. So I want to tell you about my experience in using this system. For starters, what they do is they send you this entire kit, and there are a total of 6 different kits you can get. 3 are if you have sensitive teeth, and 3 are if you have non-sensitive teeth. The difference is if you have sensitive teeth, they also include a desensitizing gel in there, which helps your teeth just not be as sensitive to hot or cold or anything else that might kind of irritate them, which is me. I do have very sensitive teeth, so that is the kit that I selected. Now, they also have the kits depending on the number of syringes that you'd like to get, so depending on how much whitening you want to get out of the system. So they start with a 3 syringe set, a 6 syringe set, and a 9 syringe set. Each syringe is supposed to give you about 3 different whitenings, and you can use the product up to 3 hours. So no longer than that, there's no need. It doesn't really do anything after 3 hours of use anyway. So let's talk about what you get inside the box. So again, I got the system with the 3 gels for the sensitive. So they send you this very nice box, which looks like so. And you get a pamphlet if you are getting the desensitizing gel on how to use that. You get another one on how to use the whitening gel. By the way, these are 2-sided. Then you get a pamphlet on how to make your dental impression, your regular instruction guide, an envelope, which is very important, that yours is going to come with a self-addressed return label on it. I've already sent mine in to get my impression made, so this is just a spare label to show you what it's like. And also a card to send in with your impressions when you have those made. Now, in here, you'll see, get this up here, you have some trays to make your impressions, and then you have 3 sets of the paste that you kind of mix together to make the stuff for the mold. And then you have your supply of your whitening gels, and again, I have the desensitizer in there as well. Now, you get 1 set for your top impression, 1 set for your bottom impression, and 1 set should you make any mistakes. I will tell you this will be a very fast process to do, and you want to make sure that you have a little bit of time when you are doing this process to make your molds, because you need to mix these together. You have a very limited amount of time to get them mixed together, put in the mold, and then in your mouth to let it harden. You don't have time just to set it down, go check on the kids, go watch your favorite TV show, grab something to drink, anything like that. You need to sit down, get this done, and it's going to be a very quick process to get finished anyway. Here is a quick clip of me making the actual molds. I want to show you how easy it is to do this process, and let's just take a look at that. Now you'll also notice on your pink envelope there is going to be a little sticker. Here, I'll show you like so. It has numbers on it, which corresponds to the number on your tray. So that way, should your trays get separated from the envelope, they know what belongs to who because they know what the numbers are. And also on your card that you fill in, it's got that same number as well. So that way everything corresponds to you. This is all your kit, your information, and they're not accidentally going to send you somebody else's impressions. So keep this all together. Now when it comes time to make your mold, what you want to do is first make sure that you go in, you brush your teeth, you floss really well, don't have anything stuck in your gums or anything like that that's going to make kind of a false impression of your mold. You want to have very clean teeth so they get a really good impression of your teeth. The dental impression card that they give you gives you some information on how to make it, what's a good example, what are some bad examples of a good mold. It really is a simple process to do. And then all you have to do is drop the 2 trays along with your little card into that self-addressed stamped envelope. Drop that in the mail. They pay for the shipping, which by the way, they pay for the shipping to send the item to you. They pay for the shipping for you to send the impression in, and then they also pay for the shipping to send you back your mold. Now just to give you a time frame on how quickly everything works, I received my kit on March 29th. I made my impression that same day and I mailed it back in the following day on March 30th. On April 13th is when I received my impressions back, and they send it in this nice little plastic case. You open it up and these are your impressions. So you have your upper and your lower impressions. And then again, the case is nice for just keeping them in. They've got holes for ventilation to be able to help them dry out. Just keeps them from getting dirty. And then if you're traveling or anything like that, or if you just want to take them to work and do them while you're at work or something, you've got a way you can just throw it in your purse and take it along with you. So great there. So I started that very first day and I did it for 1 hour. So April 13th was my first day of doing it. And again, 1 hour. And then I followed that up with about 20 minutes or so of the desensitizing gel. The next day that I did anything was on the 15th, and I went for 75 minutes that time. Still no problems whatsoever. Left it on, and all you need to do, I'm going to show you what the syringes look like. This is what a syringe looks like for the whitening gel, and it has a little top on it that you normally would screw and break off of there. But you just simply squeeze the amount that you need, and you just need the tiniest bit. You just run a little bead along the whole inside on the outer part of the teeth. You don't want to be whitening the back of your teeth because nobody ever sees that. So you just need it on the very outside part. And again, this is what the desensitizing gel one looks like. So they are color coded, so that way you can tell the difference between the two as well. So anyway, you just run that little bead in there, you put them in your mouth, let the time go by, no eating, no drinking during that time frame. You can talk, you can just carry on everything else that you just no eating or drinking while you have them on. So day number 3 was on the 19th, and I went for another 75 minutes that time. Then I went to April 22nd, and I bumped it up to 90 minutes. Then on April 28th, 120 minutes, so 2 hours. Then on May 1st, I went 150 minutes. And then the last 3 times I went for 90 minutes, so a total of 3 hours. So I did that on May 3rd, May 5th, and May 9th. So that was a total of 9 times that I've whitened my teeth. Now I want to insert here a before photo of what my teeth look like prior to me even starting this. And now here is a photo of me holding it up next to the Smile Bright little box so you can get an idea of the level of whiteness. I wanted to give you some sort of whiteness that you can compare them to. And now let's look at how my teeth are today. I tell you, I've gotten so many compliments. We went out to dinner over the weekend with my husband's parents and his brother and my sister-in-law, and all of them just, wow, your teeth are so much whiter. What are you doing? Because nobody knows I do this stuff. So I am too. My husband says, I just got my smile back. I look a lot better. And I look forward to actually keep trying this a little more and seeing how well I can continue to get them to whiten. and see how much whiter I will get. So I will be doing an update for you here in the near future and letting you know my results and seeing if we can get them any whiter. Now, I do want to let you know that Smile Brilliant was kind enough to run a little contest. Any of my subscribers out there that would like to enter the contest, I'm going to have the information down in the description box. It's free for all of you that want to enter, and all you need to do is follow the link on there to go ahead and enter the drawing. They will contact the winner and let you know that you're the winner of the prize. Make sure you give them all your contact information, and good luck to all of you out there. It's free of charge to receive this, so I'm excited that they've decided to go ahead and grant this as a gift to one of you lucky guys out there. I also have a link to their website down below if you would like to get any information and learn how you too can purchase this product and get a nice bright smile as well. They do also have professional lab services that are going to be making your impressions for you. So that's another great feature, that they do use a professional lab service to have those made, and they are quality. Trust me, I've actually had a set of these made. Oh my gosh, I can't even tell you how many years ago. My dentist had them made. He did the mold, he sent it in, and then he provided me with one syringe to use. And I tell you, the mold fit horribly. I had to go home and recut it myself on the inside because it was digging into my gums, didn't fit my teeth properly. I don't know what it was that happened, but it just was not a good quality like this one is. So I'm really, really pleased with this impression that they sent me to. I've also inserted a picture here showing you how it looks when I have the mold in my mouth, just to show you how comfortable that is to have in. Again, I want to remind you, I have sensitive teeth. So how did this work out for me since I did get their desensitizing gel? I can tell you this was a lifesaver. I didn't have to go and buy a sensitive toothpaste or anything like that. I was just able to use this gel. I didn't have any issues whatsoever. So again, I would suggest that you start out slow, see how your teeth do. If you choose to get the non-sensitive one and you do find that you're getting any sensitivity, you can go ahead and purchase individual packets of these from them as well. So you can just send away for those, and that'll help you out with any sensitivity that you might be having. But I strongly recommend that you get the one with the sensitivity, just to be on the safe side, because as we get older, the enamel wears on our teeth quite a bit more. So just got to make sure that you're going to be comfortable in doing this process. Now, if you have veneers or anything like that, you're not going to be able to use this product at all. So you want to make sure that these are your natural teeth, not dentures, not veneers, things like that. This is meant for just use on your own teeth. Okay, guys, as always, I keep it real with you guys. Just because this product was sent to me at no charge doesn't mean that I am going to be lying to you about anything. I would not be recommending a product if I did not believe in it. So that's why I wanted to make sure that I took my time with this, spread out my days, gave it the same amount of tries that you guys would be getting if you started out with the T3 package on that as well. So my results, I'm in love with this. I think that my results are 110% better than what my teeth looked like before. And I'm just really, really thrilled. Again, no sensitivity to any of the product because I did get the desensitizing gel, and I am just thrilled at how everything turned out. So don't forget to go ahead and enter the contest down below. I've got all that information down in the description box. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel too. So if you haven't done that, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions or comments or anything like that, please feel free to leave those down below as well. And if you liked the video and you like my white teeth, please give this a thumbs up as well. So as always, you guys, I love you, and bye-bye.